Hey, it's Austin with Rev Outfitters, and today we're going to talk about my 7.3 Powerstroke that had a intermittent white smoke concern, and we decided to tear into it and figure out what the actual cause was. And we started off with a combustion leak test for looking for like a cylinder head gasket failure, or in this case we actually think it was a cracked block or cracked head, because it would only fail this test when it reached a certain operating temperature, but on the hot side of the operating temperature, not just, letting it idle for a little while. And that kind of indicates that when it gets to a certain temp, the metal expands and contracts and gets to the right point where it would, fail the test immediately, actually. So once we did that, we did a compression test, and that compression test failed miserably. And then just for extra proof, we did a cylinder leak down test, which also failed miserably. So we can come check out the damage here. All right, so this is cylinder number 8, and we'll pan over and show you some more damage, but this cylinder actually melted, and it does have like witness marks of being hit. And if you get the right angle, you can actually see the piston rings, which is no good. And you can check out the other cylinders that look much different. Not only do we have a melted cylinder 8, we also have 3 or 4 other pistons that are cracked. And we'll show you a cracked piston on the other side here. And then the crack is pretty large. It might be hard on camera to see, but it's just about a 1/4 inch away from my fingertip there, right on the lip of that bowl. And there's a few other pistons as well that have some small cracks. So here is my new 7.3 Powerstroke. This is an engine we got built at a local shop down in Denver, and we actually hopped it up a little bit. So it's running a forged connecting rod now, upgraded valve train, so stronger push rods, heavy duty valve springs, and then we also put a big old camshaft in it.